When people think of Taipei, they imagine skyscrapers, bubble tea, and night markets. But there's another side of the city, quiet, timeless, and full of character. In this video, I'll take you through the hidden heart of Taipei, from century-old streets and fabric markets to temples tucked between alleyways. This is the Taipei that tourists often miss. And maybe the one worth discovering the most. Take the red line to Min Quan West Road Station, and transfer to the orange line, Luzhou Line. Get off at Daqiao Station, and use exit 101A. Walk south along Yanping North Road. You pass Ren and Hospital, keep going straight, and you'll soon see Ci Sheng Gong on your left. Nestled in the heart of Dadoqing, Taipei, Ci Sheng Gong is a historic temple built in 1864 during the Qing dynasty. It is dedicated to Mazu, the beloved goddess of the sea, who protects fishermen, travelers, and all those seeking safety and blessings. The temple features Minnan-style architecture, with intricate carvings, colorful roof figures, and a peaceful incense-filled courtyard. More than a spiritual site, it also serves as a community hub and festival center, especially lively during Mazu's birthday celebrations. Just outside, you'll find traditional markets and local food stalls, making Ci Sheng Gong a must-visit spot to experience the culture and charm of Old Taipei. Just an 11-minute walk from Ci Sheng Gong, Zhuhai City God Temple is one of Taipei's most popular spots for those seeking love and marriage. While the temple was built in 1859 and is named after the city god, it's most famous for its statue of Yu Lao, the matchmaker god who ties red threads between destined lovers. Locals and tourists alike come here to pray for romantic luck and lasting relationships. Just a 1-minute walk from Zhuhai City God Temple, Yongle Market is a must-visit for food lovers. Locals love coming to Yongle Market for sushi and popiah because it's fresh, affordable, and packed with nostalgic flavor. The sushi here is made Taiwanese style, simple, sweet, and satisfying. The popiah is handmade on the spot, filled with crunchy vegetables, peanut powder, and a touch of garlic, a classic local favorite that tastes just like home. It's the kind of place where locals eat, chat, and shop, and where every stall has a story. Whether you're craving something light, hearty, or nostalgic, Yongle Market delivers. Upstairs, the market is known for textiles and fabrics, but it's the food that really keeps people coming back. Dihua Street is one of Taipei's oldest and most charming streets, located in the historic Dadoqing area. Built in the 1850s, it has long been a bustling hub of traditional Taiwanese goods, including Chinese medicine, dried seafood, herbs, and fabrics, allowing locals to connect with their heritage. Today, visitors come to Dihua Street not only to shop for these traditional products but also to explore its beautifully preserved old buildings and sample local snacks like pineapple cakes and sesame candy. During Lunar New Year, the street comes alive with festive decorations and lively markets. Whether you want to enjoy a cup of traditional Taiwanese tea at a cozy tea house, browse artisanal crafts, or simply soak in the rich cultural atmosphere, Dihua Street offers a perfect mix of history, flavor, and local life. Chifeng Street is a vibrant and trendy street located in Taipei's Datong district, just a short walk from exit 4 of Zhongshan MRT station, and close to the historic Dadoqing area. Historically, Chifeng Street was known for its car repair shops and industrial businesses, serving the everyday needs of the local community. But over the past decade, this once utilitarian street has undergone an exciting transformation. Today, it's a hotspot for creative energy and urban style, attracting young entrepreneurs, artists, and designers. The street is lined with independent boutiques, small art galleries, design studios, and unique concept stores, each offering something fresh and original. The gritty, industrial charm of the past now blends beautifully with a bustling cafe scene, filled with cozy cafes, craft beer bars, and eateries serving specialty coffee and fusion dishes. Many of the old buildings have been thoughtfully renovated, creating a space where history meets creativity. Whether you're exploring for handmade goods, checking out the local art scene, or simply enjoying the laid-back vibe, Chifeng Street offers a refreshing contrast to Taipei's more traditional neighborhoods, all just steps from the MRT. Take the Taipei Metro, Red Line, all the way to Danshui Station. From there, it's just a short walk to the old streets and waterfront. Danshui is a charming seaside town located at the mouth of the Tamsui River, just northwest of Taipei. Known for its historic old streets and beautiful waterfront, Danshui offers visitors a perfect mix of culture, history, and delicious food. Stroll through Danshui Old Street, where traditional shops line the narrow lanes selling everything from handmade snacks to souvenirs. The area is famous for its morning market, where locals buy fresh seafood, produce, and daily essentials. Danshui was once an important port town, and you can still see its maritime roots reflected in the lively harbor and fishing culture. Be sure to try local specialties like fish balls, iron eggs, and egg, fried tofu stuffed with noodles, all famous Danshui treats. From historic temples to sunset views by the riverside, Danshui is a wonderful destination to experience Taiwan's rich history and vibrant local life in one beautiful coastal town. Ningxia Road is one of Taipei's tastiest stretches, a street where traditional flavors and local favorites come together in the most satisfying way. By day, it's home to cozy restaurants like the Thai Spring, a long-standing spot loved for its fresh seafood, creative sushi rolls, and home-style Taiwanese-Japanese dishes. If you're visiting Ningxia Night Market, don't miss Yuan Huanpian Oyster Omelette, a local favorite since 1965. This Michelin-recommended stall is famous for its crispy on the outside, gooey in the center oyster omelettes, made with fresh oysters from Tainan and topped with a sweet savory sauce. There's often a line, but it's worth the wait for one of Taipei's most iconic street foods. As evening falls, the street transforms into the lively and legendary Ningxia Night Market. This compact but flavor-packed market is famous for must-try street eats like the stinky tofu stall. It's deep-fried until golden, crispy outside and tender inside, served with pickled cabbage and garlic sauce. The smell may be strong, but the taste is unforgettable. Then, head to Burst and Crispy Squid. It is a must-try stall at Ningxia Night Market. They take whole squid, stuff it with crunchy cucumber, deep fry it to golden perfection, then slice it into bite-sized rings. Think squid sushi, crispy on the outside, juicy inside. Choose from flavors like salt and pepper, lemon wasabi, or garlic. Long lines, big flavor, totally worth it. Toro Toro is a cozy dessert shop just steps from Ningxia Night Market, perfect for Toro lovers. It's the perfect sweet stop after your night market feast. Shomani Teppanyaki, Zhongshan Branch. Located just a 6-minute walk from Zhongshan MRT Exit 4, this upscale teppanyaki restaurant combines Japanese grill techniques with French fine dining flair. Set in a sleek, stylish space, guests can enjoy a 6-course set menu featuring appetizers, soup, salad, premium meats, or seafood grilled right in front of you, and a beautifully plated dessert. Highlights include flambe duck, wagyu beef, and free-flow sorbet and sparkling juice. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just indulging in a refined meal, Chamonix offers a polished and flavorful dining experience in the heart of Taipei. Our Taipei adventure comes to an end. From bustling night markets to peaceful temples, from historic streets to unforgettable eats, every moment was full of flavor, culture, and heart. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave a comment and tell us, what would you eat first in Taipei? See you in the next adventure.